In this video, we are going to discuss about social anxiety, how to deal with it, how to deal with shyness, not comfortable amongst people, what to do. So let's explore the topic. Now, I want to start by narrating a story, and I'm sure most of you must have heard that story. It's the story about the lion who thought he was a sheep. So once there was a lion who was brought up among the flock of a sheep, and that's why he had no consciousness that he was a lion. He didn't know he was a lion. So he used to bleat like a sheep, he used to eat grass like a sheep. One day they were wandering along the edge of the forest, and from there a mighty lion just let out a big roar and leaped directly in the middle of the flock. All the sheep scattered and ran away. And imagine the surprise of the jungle lion when he saw this lion among this flock of sheep. And he asked him, "What are you doing here?" And the other lion started cringing in front of him, "Please don't eat me, have mercy on me, please don't eat me." And the jungle lion dragged this other lion inside the forest and he took him to a lake and he said, "Look." And the lion, who thought he was a sheep, looked, and he looked at his own reflection for the first time. And then he looked at the jungle lion and he looked inside the water again and he let out a huge roar. And after that, he was never a sheep. It just took 1 minute. So why am I narrating this story to you? There is, some similarity. Like the lion, even you have forgotten what you actually are. And that's not because there is some problem with you, because no one has told us this. No one has told us about our true nature, what we actually are. And we spent our lives living in a false identity. We think that we are our ego, our personality, but that is not who we actually are. Our true nature is we are infinite, formless energy, infinite peace, infinite love, infinite happiness, infinite creativity, infinite abundance. That's what we actually are. And please note that I'm not saying it's inside of us, that's what we actually are. Our essence, our core essence is made of these qualities. So now, can you imagine something which has got infiniteness inside of it, or which is actually infiniteness? Can that something be introvert, be shy, be socially anxious? No, right? So then, why are you behaving in that way? So, in order to explain this, I want to use one more example. Now, just imagine that a child is participating in a fancy dress competition. So, the child has got various options available in front of me. There are costumes of Barbie, of a tree, of a home, of a political leader, of a panda, anything. So, he can choose anything and he can wear the costume, and when he wears that costume he can perform those actions, and for that time he will become a panda. Or if he wears the costume of a tree, he will become a tree. Or if the child decides to wear the costume of a Barbie and act like a Barbie, he will be Barbie for some time, right? So this is how it works. In the same way, we or you, we have got these options available for us, and these options are different thoughts that flow in our mind. So different thoughts like, I am smart, I am intelligent, I am introvert, I am extrovert, I am not good enough, I can't, I'm not comfortable with people. So these are different thoughts which are available to you. And what happens is, some people choose these thoughts: I am extrovert, I am comfortable with people, I am smart. And some people use these type of thoughts: I am introvert, I am not good enough, I am scared of people, I am not comfortable with people, I am socially anxious. So what has happened in your case is you have got identified with these type of thoughts, and that's why you are acting out those thoughts. That's why you are experiencing those thoughts. So these, the universe has given us this power, the power to think, and as we think, so we become. But the good news is, it's not that we are going to remain like this. Now, what has to happen in your case? Just the same thing that happened to that lion. The lion thought he was a sheep, and that's why he was acting like a sheep. Now, you infinite energy, you have got everything inside of you, everything, the confidence, the extrovertness, the whatever is required to be comfortable with people, you have got everything inside of you. Now you just need to realize that you are not these thoughts, but you are infinite energy. You already have everything inside of you. So you need to realize your true nature. And in this journey of yours, so from being a sheep to realizing that you are a lion, so from being your ego, your personality, and being identified with these thoughts, to you realizing your infinite true nature, there is a power, there is an intelligence inside of you which is going to guide you in this journey. And you will not be able to realize this. The realization will happen to you. And who will help you? This power, this intelligence that I am talking about. We call this intelligence the wisdom. So this is the same intelligence who guides the birds to migrate across continents. How do the birds know? We have to fly here and here and here. So they move from one country to other. They move across continents. How do they know? This intelligence guides them. A small seed becomes a huge tree. How does the seed know? This intelligence guides them. So many complex processes going on inside our body, the respiratory, the circulatory, the digestive system, and etc. etc. How do our organs know what to do? This intelligence guides them. And the same intelligence is going to guide you in your journey of you identifying with these thoughts that I'm shy and I'm introvert and I'm not comfortable with people, to you realizing your actual true nature. Just tune in inside, trust this intelligence, and ask it question: what do I have to do? What do I have to do next? What step do I have to take? What action do I have to perform? And just trust that the right answer is going to drop inside your mind. Just believe me, you will get a very customized, perfect solution for the situation that is in front of you. So different people listening to this video, so all the people are not going to get the same solution, because everybody is in different situation. So everybody will get a customized solution for you. So look within, realize your true nature, and it is going to take only one moment. You don't have to take so much of efforts outside in order to change your behavior. It is actually opposite. You just have to look within, and you need to realize your true nature, and you will be fine.